Alex Chen Bing. I'm a filmmaker and also a photographer based in Singapore. In all my 12 years of experience, Nikon has always been my choice of brand for all my creative expressions. Even in my transition to shooting motion pictures and short videos, Nikon never fails to provide creators with the best autofocusing system, superior dynamic range with robust build, and many more features one generation after another. Now what makes the whole system even better is the introduction of this remote control grip, the Nikon MC-N10. The grip is so well built with a layout and feel that matches the Nikon Z series cameras. The similar button layout makes it intuitive and easy to use straight from the first setup. Besides the good ergonomic design of the MC-N10, its all-around dedicated build, specially catered for filmmakers, will change the whole way of filming in years to come. When filming with a gimbal, changing a lens and recalibration is always a challenge. Now we don't need to worry any further, since we can switch between full frame and APS-C mode with a click of a button. If you are a Nikon Z9 user, you will enjoy up to 2 times digital zoom without any image quality loss, even when filming in 4K resolution. You can easily check your focus point by zooming in, simply by assigning this feature to one of the function buttons. Just imagine this. You'll be able to access advanced video features, custom functions, key camera settings, all without taking your eyes off the action. Smooth transition and the capability of holding the focus point are what every filmmaker is after. With the MC-N10, you can easily set up the preferred transition speed as well as sensitivity in your camera, while fixing the focal plane by holding the AF1 button on your grip. In more challenging situations like interview or dialogues, the MC-N10 also provides you clickless dial adjustment, making all camera setting changes without sound interruption. You can now even adjust microphone sensitivity during recording, which is an added convenience for all your indoor filming needs. For wedding videographers, especially when you need to do all filming by yourself, the MC-N10 is extremely easy and fast to set up by connecting the grip via an ARRI rosette mount. It also provides crucial features like zebra pattern or exposure checking. You can quickly turn it off without moving your hands away from the grip and continue focusing on the expression and gesture of the main subject. The MC-N10 is more than just an accessory. From the first time using it with my Nikon Z camera, I know I will never go without it for my future productions.